Hey guys, Extreme Blades here. Today I'm gonna be unboxing Burn Phoenix, the Immortal Bird. I know I was supposed to upload this video on either Wednesday or Thursday, but since my package got delayed, I decided to upload it today. So I'm just open this in 3. And there we have Burn Phoenix. And there we have it. Burn Phoenix in all its glory. I'm gonna be doing some test battles, a test spin and a test battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Burn Phoenix 135 MS, metal sharp. Okay. I'm gonna be test battling it against Gravity Perseus. 3, 2, 1, go. Stadium. Okay. This bay is very recoily, so of course we'll both fly at the stadium. But anyways, that concludes this. Oh, let me battle it one more time against Earth Eagle. I think this bay belongs to Gina's dad. I think his name is Ryo or something. I think his name is Ryo. No, not Ryo. I forgot his dad's name, but let me know down in the comment section down below if you know it. If you remember Gina's dad's name. Boring battle. But anyways, that concludes this review for Burn Fireblaze. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.